I'm Buck Weezer, and welcome back to another video on Buck's Small Engine DIY on YouTube, where we put the do into do-it-yourself. Okay, so our final check today is to just check the deck for level, front to back and side to side. And you got to move it to a flat place on your driveway. And you want to set the deck at a normal cutting height. So, you know, I have about halfway. I have it on number 3. And so you'll need tape measure, a 15mm wrench, and maybe something to kneel on. And I want to measure left to right at 2 points in the back. Right here on the deck, near the tire. It's like right about here. In the same place over here on the deck, again, right about where the tire is. So like right about here. And so when I get down here and measure right about here, I'm looking at just about 3 inches. Over on this side at the same spot, I'm measuring 2 3/4, about like that. So what I think I want to do is I want to lower this side over here, 1/4 of an inch maybe. And these deck hangers right in here, a 15mm bolt, and I'm just going to loosen that to lower the deck a little bit. So I could get that with an open end wrench. Just lower that a little bit till we're even side to side. Alright, I've adjusted it, and I'm about 2 3/4 here. This side's a little dark to see. Over here is a little more light. 2 3/4. It's probably a little hard to see on the camera. But I'm content that we're good to go left to right. Alright, so adjusting the height front to back is a matter of adjusting the nut on the end of this rod under here. Again, probably can't see it too well. But that guy right there, and I see my tractor a little bit low in the front, so I'm going to tighten that 15mm nut right there and try to, and that will pull the front of the deck up a little bit. Or if the front's too high, you loosen this nut going counterclockwise. Lefty loosey. So let's try that. And I think sometimes you just kind of have to go with what looks good to your eye. And that looks pretty good to me. Perhaps a scratch low in the front, but I think what I want to do is try it out. That's where the real proof is. And see how it does. So, my lawn could use some mowing, so let's go try it out.